Hello guys, welcome to Sparky Media once again. In this video tutorial, we are going to be talking about this online investment platform you are seeing on your screen known as Mob, as you can see here on your screen. Okay, I have received some question in regards to this platform. If this platform is actually a legitimate platform one can invest his or her hard-earned money into, or is it a scam investment platform? All these things you are going to find out in this very video. This is the question I am going to be answering in this video, and I am going to be brief. I am not going to take much of your time. But before we proceed, guys, my name is Sparky Media, and if this is the first time you are coming across my channel or first time you are hearing my voice, what I do on this channel is all about business. I share business updates on how you can make money online with your smartphone every blessed day. So if you're an online hustler or you have interest in making money online, all you need to do for you not to miss out any of my latest updates on how to make money online is to hit on that subscribe button shown on your screen, and then turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I release videos on how to make money online with your smartphone. Before I proceed with this video, guys, I want to lay a disclaimer. This is warning. Please take note that Sparky Media is not a financial advisor, and this content is not financially advised. This content is intended for educational purpose only. Any action you take after watching this video, you are responsible for that. Sparky Media is not responsible for it. Please take note of that. This is my total disclaimer. Okay, now in this video we are going to be talking about what is Mob all about and how does it work. How do you make money from this platform? How do you withdraw money from this platform? Then, is this platform actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform? First of all, this platform you are seeing here on your screen is actually investment platform which claims that one can purchase their VIP and complete task and then make money every blessed day on the platform based on their purchased investment packages. So the amount of money you can accumulate on this platform depend on the invested capital. For example, if you want to earn higher, you have to invest higher, just like the law of theory and demand, theory of demand and supply. So you have to do it. If you want to earn higher, you invest higher. If you want to earn low, you invest low. So that's just how the whole thing works. Okay, now there are two ways you can make money on this platform. Number one way is through investment. When you click on VIP, you can see the option here. They have the VIP one. They have the VIP one is 1,600 naira, and you can see they have the task here one time, and you earn 16 naira. They have the VIP two here, which is 6,000 naira, and they have two times daily task you are going to do to get the money is two times, and you earn 230 naira. And they also have the one of 20,000 naira, and you do tax 2-3 times a day, you earn 800 naira. Just like I said, the amount of money you can accumulate on this platform depend on your invested capital. And another way you can earn money is through referral program. When you click on team, you can invite your friends and family to join the platform with your link. They have their level 1 referral or level 2 referral, as you can see it here. So level 1 and level 2, that's it. You earn 9% of anybody you invite on this platform to invest. That's your direct referral. And you also earn second team referral. For example, let's say I refer you to the platform, you refer another person, I get 3% of whatever that person deposit. So that is how this platform is. So how do you withdraw? It's simple. Click on home. When you click on home, you can see this option here, withdraw. You click on withdraw. You click on withdraw, you set up your payment details, and then you get OTP, and then you continue. So if you want to deposit, the option to deposit is also there. You click on recharge. So when you click on recharge, you can select the amount you want to deposit. So you deposit it, and then you use it to purchase the investment packages. So that is the purpose of you depositing. For you cannot earn money on this platform only when you invest. That's the only when you can earn money on this platform. Please take note of that. Now I have explained everything you need to know about this platform. The question is this platform a legit platform or a scam platform? That's the common question I have been receiving. Please listen to me very attentively. My name is Sparky Media, and I have been into this online space for a very long time now, and that's why I can confidently tell you a platform that is legit and a platform that is scam. Before I proceed to tell you guys if this platform is actually a legitimate platform or a scam platform, I don't know if any of you watching this video could recall CBS, F&B, Auto BC, WW Coin, ADK platform. I don't know if any of you could do Lighter Power. All these platforms I have just mentioned now, they are the platform that we are doing so well. They are all investments, but they crashed at once. Even CBS Plus, all of them. CBS made away with over 1.3 trillions. They scammed the Nigerians. So that is the reason why I'm always telling my viewers, if you want to invest online, the first thing you should do as a good investor is to do what? conduct researches. Don't just say people are cashing out. Okay, whenever these platforms launch, normally people will be cashing out. Oh yes, because what this platform does is that they uses their new members money to pay their old members, and that's what makes it a Ponzi scheme investment platform. And when it comes to investment platform, they are classified into two categories. They have the one of long-term investment, and they also have the one of short-term investment. The one of long-term investment are those ones that intend to last for, let's say, 6 months, 3 months, 6 months, 1 year. Example of them are pawn mining, ADK platform. These are the kind of platform that are long-term investment platform. And how do you identify them? You identify them through their earning structures, their earning packages. So there is those ones that are short-term investment platform are those ones that will tell you to invest 3,000 naira, you'll be getting 500 naira daily. Invest 10,000 naira, you'll be getting 2,000 or 4,000 naira daily. These are the short-term investment platform, and they don't intend to last for more than a week or 2 weeks, and they are gone with people's money. So that is one thing you must understand about investment platform. They are classified into two categories. So anyone you want to invest in, you have to do what? Do your researches. Do researches before you do what? Join, if you want to join at all. And if you are joining, you should always join with what you can afford to lose, not because of you see that this one is withdrawing 100,000, this one is withdrawing 500,000, this one is withdrawing 300,000. Don't trust those promoters. Whom you should trust is your investigator. The person who investigated the platform are the people you should trust. That's why you should look for review. Look for a review of any platform before you join, because it is that review that will reveal the whole details, the whole hidden, all the red flags you need to know about that particular platform. Now, this platform you are seeing on your screen now, known as Mobb. If I ask you now where is their location, you don't know. If I ask you who is their CEO now, you don't know. If anything should happen peradventure now, who are you going to hold responsible? Nobody. And that is how they will go with your money. You will start crying. Just to look at people. People have been in pain. People have been mourning over what CBS did to them, and now this one again. So someone wanted to invest in this platform, and she brought it to my DM and asked me, boss, please, can you help us check if this platform is actually a legit or a scam platform? Okay, in summary, this platform you are seeing on your screen, known as Mobb, is actually a fake platform. It is a scam platform. One thing you must notice that whenever you are depositing money in this platform, that your money is going directly into the CEO's account, and those things you are seeing on your dashboard are just normal numbers. They are just numbers. Every day you think you are earning money, you think you're accumulating money, you'll be thinking, hey, you have seen the financial, the financial breakthrough, all those things. At the end of the day, they end up breaking your heart. You end up losing money. People have lost billions of naira, millions of naira online due to what? They don't research. Even those who research, they will still have strong head. They will not believe. I'm saying it now. Do not trust those promoters. Whom you should trust is your what? Your investigator. The person who investigated the platform are the person you should what? Trust. Okay? Sparky Media is not making this video for you to like me or for you to hate me. This is just me. I like telling people the truth. I'm always being transparent. If I say something is legit, I tell you something is legit. If I say something is scam, I tell you something is scam. This very platform you are seeing here is 100% scam, and I am not doing this video to discourage you from joining, and I'm not doing this video to encourage you to do what? Invest. So whatever action you take, it is your own business. My own aim and objective is that I have given you the details you need. I have told you the truth. So the decision is all yours. Whatever decision you take is stand by you and not by me. So thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel. If you have another question, the comment section is widely open for you. You can comment there if you have another question, or if you have any platform you want me to check for you if it's legit or scam. My number is on this channel homepage. So go to this channel homepage. You're going to see my number. They use it to message me on WhatsApp with the link of the platform. I will tell you if it is a legit or not. That's if you have any. Thank you, and don't forget there is love in sharing. Share this video so that a lot of people will get to know the real truth about this platform known as Mobb. And may God bless you as you share this video. Thank you.